A lot of companies will have preventative maintenance checklist to be able to use. At Chadwell Supply, we have an extensive checklist that will help you do the things that you need to do. But once they're complete, take that tool and that preventative maintenance checklist and make sure that you follow up on everything on the list. Now that the information has gotten back to the office and all the PMs have been completed, what do we do with that information? It'll be somebody's responsibility to take the notes that were generated on there and put into action, if you will. If there was evidence of pets, where the pet notice is sent out. If there was evidence of damage, where the damage notice sent out, that we're going to either charge the resident or maintenance is going to be back to correct the problem, whether it's holes in walls, broken blinds, different items that may need to be addressed immediately. Now that the preventative maintenance has been done for the quarter, even a couple of quarters, or getting close to budget season, how do we take that information now and use it as a budgeting tool? So we look at some of the items that are on there, and flooring is one of the highest dollar budgeted amounts that we have on any property after landscaping. So we look at an average or a property that's 110 units. You've done the PMs on that, and you find that you have 33 units that need carpet. If everybody moved out tomorrow, I know that I'd have to change 33 of these carpets. So I also know that I know all 33 of those are not going to move out. So I look at my retention rates and what I'm retaining. So for example, your retention level is running 82%. We know that 18% of the people of the 33 carpets that are going to move out. Now I can use that as a much better strategic tool in setting up my budget for that particular item. So if I look at those units that I need, and 6 of the units I'm going to have to replace based on those retention levels, and if each unit has so many square feet of carpet, and you know your dollars amount, and I multiply those 6 units, and it comes up to a dollar amount that I have for my property for those particular units. Now I can use that as a better budgeting tool, and then I'm not going to have a tendency to have to defend myself when giving these numbers to the upper management. How did I get that number? When you show them how you actually came up with that number, it's more palatable, and you're more likely to get all of those dollars rather than just giving that number based on last year's numbers, what we typically do a lot of times.